Hi everyone, welcome back to Home Cooking with Crystal. Today we are making a classic comfort food, Rajma. This dish is all about slow cooked flavored kidney beans in a rich gravy, perfect with rice or chapatis. Let's get cooking. Start by adding our soaked Rajma into a pressure cooker. Pour in half a liter of water, followed by a teaspoon of salt. Secure the lid and we'll give it about 7 to 8 whistles. For the first whistle, keep the flame high and then turn it down to medium for the rest. Once done, let's open it up and check the rajma should be tender and well cooked. Next, we'll heat 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add a teaspoon of jeera and let it sizzle and pop. Now, a little pinch of hing goes in for that unique aroma, followed by the chopped onions. Fry the onions until they are translucent, stirring occasionally. Add in our green chilies and a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Frying it all for a minute or two until fragrant. Now for the spices, sprinkle in the Dhania Powder, Haldi, Garam Masala and Red Chilli Powder. Mix everything well and fry for a couple of minutes. If the spices start sticking, add a splash of water to help them cook evenly. Once the spices have blended beautifully, pour in the fresh tomato puree. Add another teaspoon of salt and cover the pan. Let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes until you see the oil separating from the masala. That's when you know it's ready. The masala looks and smells amazing. Now let's bring it all together. Add the cooked rajma into our masala along with the water from the pressure cooker. Adjust the amount of water based on the consistency you prefer. Let it all cook together for about 10 minutes until the gravy thickens and the flavors melt. For an extra kick, add another tablespoon of Jeera powder. Mix it in well and cover the pan. Let the Rajma simmer on low flame for another 5 minutes. And here we are, the Rajma is perfectly cooked. And it's time to add a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Give it a final stir for that fresh flavor and we are ready to plate it up. Transfer the Rajma to a serving bowl. Garnish with a bit of coriander. And there you have it. This delicious, comforting Rajma is perfect with steamed rice or warm chapatis. Serve with onions, green chilies, and a little green chutney on the side. Thanks for joining me today on Home Cooking with Crystal. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. See you next time. Happy cooking!